Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, I am super excited because the Double Dip company has finally came out with their own Polygel kits. You guys are gonna be blown away when you see these freaking kits. They are so cute. This one that I have here in front of me is called the Mermaid Glitz edition. It is on the Double Dip website for $59.79. Plus you of course can use my discount code and get a % off of that. I am going to be using my Enail Couture XXL sculptured coffin nail. I haven't worn a coffin in a while, so I figured why not. These are pre-etched, so you do not have to etch them. I always do, just to be safe, but you don't have to. Always remember, guys, to make sure you have your nails prepped and ready. Push back your cuticles, dehydrate, prime, add your base coat. It comes in a box that says Bellavina Dallas. On the corner, it has your Double Dip store.com and it says Mermaid Polygel. Look at the box, you guys. Look how gorgeous. And what I like about this is it's a magnet. Okay, so you just open that up and look at this. Oh my gosh, it's heaven. Oh hey, beauty. Life is not perfect, but your nails can be. Really nice box. It has your instruction manual, of course, telling you how to achieve using the dual forms. It's got another pamphlet that says it's time to nail it. It tells you a caution. Take a nail feed before and after, you will be amazed. And then you can tag them, of course, on Instagram at Double Dip Nails. Hashtag nail fee. Hashtag nailed it. So also what I really liked about this is on the back it shows you all the different shapes of nails that you can achieve, and then it also gives you an inch meter to measure the nails. I thought that was very interesting, something that a lot of companies don't include. So as you guys can see here, you know I am all about color. I love lots and lots of color. I just like to have a very colorful life, okay? That's just who I am. As you can also see, there are 6 polygel tubes, 15 grams. So yeah, they are small, but would you just look at that? Look how beautiful. It's like an all white. Now, one thing I do suggest is include the ingredients on the back side. So this one looks like a beautiful purple. One looks like another purple. And can we also look at the caps? Like a rose gold cap. Stunning. We got a pink, we've got an orange, we've got a green, and we've got another green. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, look at that. All right, so we get 2 dual form holder clips to help. This helps to hold on the dual forms. You get a Bellavina Dallas little mini LED light. Y'all know how these work. You flip them out like so and cure. Also, it comes with a slip solution, 30 mLs. It comes with some little rhinestones. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. This is your base and top coat. I like the bottles with the rose gold lid. Love it. It does come with some dual forms, which I am not using in this video. Comes with a pair of really sharp, like almost needle nose tweezers. That's really nice. Probably 100-180 grit file. And last but not least, the Bellavina Dallas spatula and brush. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going to take my regular foil glue. That is going to be my peel off base coat. I'm going to apply 1 coat of that and let that air dry. So this is what the nails look like before my peel off base coat is on. This is what the nails look like after the peel off base is dry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Bellavina base coat. You're going to apply 1 thin coat of your base from cuticle to free edge, and then you're going to cure that for 30 seconds. the slip solution. So some of them ombre'd really nicely and some of them did not. After you have all of them flash cured and the polygel's not going to move around, it's time to apply them to your nail with the polygel. So make sure you have a cure light ready, okay? And then you're going to take the color that you want to ombre with these two colors. Not too much. Take your slip and then you're just going to gently pull that from one side to the other. Not too thick, not too thin, but make sure it touches both side walls. And then kind of ombre up into the other color the best you can. I know it's kind of difficult to do an ombre when you're doing it underneath the nail. If you need some more color, you can always add more. And when you flip it, it'll look like that. Look how pretty. You're going to go down onto the nail at 45 degrees. Make sure it touches the free edge. And cure. Flip it over, make sure there's nothing seeping out. If there is, go ahead and grab that. Alright, so you've got a really light ombre. Now you can go thicker up underneath the nail if you want to make it more bold. It's totally up to you. But a little bit more because there's a little bit more space to fill. Now I will say really quickly that I do like the consistency of the polygel. I like the way that it maneuvers around. It's very easy to work with. And you're going to flip your nail. Apply it to your natural nail plate. and cure. Clean up anything that might have seeped out. Guys, after you have them applied, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Something to confess that I really did not know about this kit. It is a glow in the dark. They're all glow in the dark, so I'll show you that at the end. But after you cure, you want to go ahead and clean up around your cuticle area. You want to shape up the nails, buff, file shape, all that good stuff. Once I have that done, we'll come back and we will bling these out. Alright guys, another thing you need to do before you shape, file, and buff them is top coat the underside, which I did not do, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Go ahead, take the Bellavina top coat the underside. Go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Okay guys, after that is complete, now it's time to decorate these nails. But before I do that, I do want to mention the Bellavina Double Dip Clear Polygel. The large 50G is one of the clearest polygels that won in one of my clearest polygel videos. So I just wanted to mention that. So if you guys are looking for a really nice clear polygel, the Bellavina is definitely one that is very, very nice and clear. Don't forget to check that video out where I tested the theory. So they have these rhinestones that came with the kit, and then I also have these that are also from the Double Dip company. And because this is like a mermaid kit, I wanted to use the seashells and the stars and just do something fun. So you're gonna apply your gem glue, your gem gel, whatever you're using for your gems. Go ahead and apply that first. In this case, I'm using the Diamond Gel by Enail Couture. And ta-da! There we have my Bellavina Mermaid Polygel Kit review. I do want to say I absolutely loved this polygel. I did not know it was a glow-in-the-dark polygel until I started curing and the colors were getting lighter and I'm like, what is going on? And then I turned the lights off and said, holy shit, these glow in the dark. How cool. So yeah, so fun. So fun. And gotta give it to Double Dip for the packaging because it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. They did a fabulous job. Everything looks so beautiful. You guys, I'm sorry I did not show myself top coating, but I did put on a coat of top coat, some cuticle oil also. I thought I was filming and I wasn't, but this is how they turned out. I'm gonna show you guys in the dark here in just a second. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know down in the comment section down below. And if you guys are really here for it, go over to the Double Dip website, pick out the next Polygel kit that you want me to review. Okay, so just let me know what you want me to review. I think they have like 6 different new kits. So go check them out. Use my discount code if you order anything. So let's go ahead and look at these in the dark. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. Talk about bright. Those are freaking bright. Every one of them. Wow. Oh, come through. Come through, Bellavina Double Dip. Look at that, you guys. You can even still see like the stones. Ooh, yes. I would be rocking these for Halloween for sure. Just put some Halloween stickers on, and you bet. Look at that. Look at that. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for watching until the end. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next one. Hope y'all all have a blessed day. Thank you to Double Dip for sending this kit to me. I love it. Bye, guys.